Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on the Google Play Store in HOTWAV T5 Pro. To do this, let's launch our Google Play Store. Inside, if we try to find the games like, for example, Call of Duty, it's not available. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, move to the settings and enter family. Then select parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games. Insert your PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and then we can go back to look for the game again. And it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.